Aloha adventurers! Welcome to our ultimate guide to the 15 best things to do in beautiful Hawaii. Get ready for an epic journey packed with sun, surf, and endless fun in the water. Number 1. Our first stop is Hanauma Bay, a snorkeler's paradise nestled on the southeast coast of Oahu. Dive into the crystal clear waters and explore the vibrant coral reefs teeming with colorful marine life. With its calm waters and abundance of sea creatures, Hanauma Bay offers an unforgettable snorkeling experience for water enthusiasts of all ages. Number 2. Next up, we're hitting the iconic waves of Waikiki Beach. Grab your surfboard and ride the legendary swells that have beckoned surfers from around the world for decades. Whether you're a seasoned pro or a first-time surfer, Waikiki's gentle waves and warm waters make it the perfect spot to hang ten and soak up the sun. Number 3. For a dose of adventure and natural beauty, hop in a kayak and paddle your way to Manoa Falls on the island of Oahu. Navigate through lush rainforest streams and marvel at the towering cliffs as you make your way to the breathtaking Manoa Falls, a hidden gem nestled in the heart of paradise. Number 4. Ready for an up-close encounter with Hawaii's majestic sea turtles? Head to Turtle Bay on the north shore of Oahu for an unforgettable snorkeling experience. Glide through the crystal clear waters and watch in awe as these gentle giants gracefully swim by. It's a magical moment you'll treasure forever. Number 5. Calling all thrill seekers. It's time to test your courage with some epic cliff jumping at South Point on the Big Island. Feel the adrenaline rush as you leap off the rugged cliffs into the deep blue waters below. Just be sure to check the conditions and jump from safe heights. It's an exhilarating experience that will leave you feeling alive and invigorated. Number 6. From December to April, Hawaii becomes a playground for majestic humpback whales migrating from Alaska to breed and nurse their young. Embark on a whale watching tour and witness these gentle giants in their natural habitat. Keep your cameras ready for breathtaking breaches and tail slaps. Number 7. For a peaceful and scenic adventure, head to Lanikai Beach on the island of Oahu for some stand-up paddleboarding. Glide across the calm waters, taking in panoramic views of the Mokulua Islands and the lush coastline. Prepare for an otherworldly experience as you snorkel with gentle manta rays off the coast of Kona on the Big Island. Under the cover of darkness, these graceful creatures glide through the water, feeding on plankton attracted by the lights. It's a surreal and unforgettable encounter. Number 9. Discover the dramatic beauty of the Napali coast on the island of Kauai with a thrilling boat tour. Marvel at towering sea cliffs, cascading waterfalls, and secluded beaches accessible only by boat. It's a breathtaking journey through one of Hawaii's most iconic landscapes. Number 10. Immerse yourself in the rich history and culture of Hawaii and the South Pacific at the Polynesian Cultural Center on the north shore of Oahu. Explore authentic Polynesian villages, watch captivating performances, and participate in hands-on activities. It's a fascinating and educational experience for couples of all ages. Rise before dawn and embark on an unforgettable sunrise hike to the summit of Haliko on the island of Maui. Watch as the first rays of light illuminate the crater's lunar-like terrain, painting the sky with hues of pink, orange, and gold. It's a spiritual and awe-inspiring moment you'll never forget. Number 12. Calling all adventure seekers. Strap in and soar through the lush rainforest canopy on a thrilling zip-line adventure. Feel the rush of adrenaline as you zip from platform to platform, taking in panoramic views of the jungle below. Set sail into the golden hour aboard a luxurious catamaran for a romantic sunset cruise. Toast to love and adventure as you glide across the tranquil waters, with the vibrant hues of the sunset painting the sky above. It's a magical way to end the day with your loved one. Number 14. Explore the raw power of nature at Hawaii Volcanoes National Park on the Big Island. Witness the awe-inspiring spectacle of active volcanoes, glowing lava flows and steaming vents. It's a humbling reminder of the ever-changing and dynamic forces that shape our planet. Number 15. Conclude your Hawaiian adventure with a festive luau dinner and show, celebrating the vibrant culture and traditions of the islands. Indulge in a delicious feast of local delicacies, sip on tropical cocktails, and sway to the rhythm of traditional Hawaiian music and dance. It's the perfect way to immerse yourself in the spirit of aloha and create lasting memories with your partner. Mahalo for joining us on this unforgettable journey through the 15 best things to do in beautiful Hawaii. We hope you're inspired to pack your bags and experience the magic of the Aloha State for yourselves. Until next time, happy exploring. Aloha.